Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson, Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in beautiful Bradenton, Florida, and I just took in this amazing 2015 Dodge Challenger. This is an RT. This is a very nicely equipped, very upgraded RT. As you can see here, it does have the blind spot monitor. I don't know if you can see the little triangle there in the corner, but this vehicle is equipped with blind spot monitor and rear cross path detection. This is a very unique color. It's kind of hard to see from the video, but it's considered phantom black, so it's kind of like a special edition paint color. And then here's a look at the vehicle. It has 17,411 miles on it. Here's the original window sticker. So the previous owner meticulously maintained this vehicle. Everything and all the service work had been done here by Firkins. So this is, just taking a look at what all's on here. So it's got the driver convenience group, which is the blind spot monitor. It's the RT Classic. It's got the upgraded radio, the Super Track Pack, the six-speed performance manual, the Uconnect 8.4 with navigation, and cannot say enough. It's super nice vehicle, and it's very clean. To find out more about this vehicle, you can contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169. Or you can visit our website at www.firkinscj.com. We'll see you soon.